To check your account balance on ZaloPay, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the app easily to find your balance. Step 1. Open the ZaloPay app. Launch the ZaloPay application on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to the home screen. Once the app is open, you will be directed to the home screen. Look for the balance display, which is usually prominently shown at the top of the screen. Step 3. Access your wallet. If your balance is not visible on the home screen, tap on the Wallet or Account section. This will take you to a detailed view of your account information. Step 4. View your balance. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Log out optional. After checking your balance, you can log out of your account if you are finished using the app. This step is optional but recommended for security reasons, especially on shared devices. Now you know how to check your account balance on ZaloPay easily. Following these steps will help you stay updated on your funds whenever you need.